Hello, welcome back to Capstone 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips to win all rounds, lesson 9 to combine HR, finance, and TQM, if any. So HR, finance, and TQM is quite simple, but also important to win the Capsim I show you now. So you have 5 decisions: R&D, marketing, production. You can check the previous video to see that, and now we check the HR. For HR, you will have 2 decisions here: recruiting spend and training hour. Remember, we can spend max 5,000. So in early rounds, we use 3,000, and for round 1, 2, 3 when it is available. And for recruitment, we can use max training. We can use max 80 hours in round 1, 2, and 3 when it is available. We use 40 hours. From round 4 to 8, we use 80 hours to get the best workforce. And for finance, it is important to keep around 30 to 50,000 or million to get the safe amount of money, so we can avoid emergency loan. So you see that last round we get only 3. It's quite risky, so keep this amount. In order to do so, in round 1, 2, and 3, we issue the stock here, max the stock, and issue the long-term, short-term debts around equally to the stock, and also short-term the max we can issue. And we set increase account receivable day to feed customer 5 days more. 35 days means 5 days more to delay the payment to sell better. So that's all the decision in this, right? In this. So we can check this one. You see, you can check the report to see that we need to avoid emergency loan here. So we keep the safe amount of cash to avoid that. So that's lesson number 9: HR, finance, and TQM. Remember to check the other lesson to see on the video, to see on the lesson from 1 to 9, and later from 1 to 11 to 15. If you have the right strategy, you can get very high sale and profit, nearly double sale and double profit from round 4 to 8 to lead the game, as you see on the screen. And also the top sale, top profit, top stock price. Remember that understand the game is equally important to winning the game. So important to win, important as winning the game. So you need to learn what decision to make. I show you on the video what report to read, how to update the product, how to set price, how to calculate the sales forecast. Check the previous video to see that, how to set production, how to set decision for HR, finance, and TQM. I just show you now. If you still need the support, you can send the email to get the support for 8 rounds, and also Q&A for 27. Remember, we can always apply the top 10 winning tips for on the round from 1 to 8 using industry condition report. I show you either a free software to calculate R&D. You can download under the video, update R&D, or send the email. Add new product in round 1, 2, and round 3. This is very important. And set prices. I show you also in the video. Calculate the sales forecast, calculate production, add new capacity, increase automation, and you own the 3 sources of fund I just showed you, right? So if you still have any questions, send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.